Meaning of directors, if we consider, directors are the person appointed to direct and supervise. Direction word indicate that some directions required from some agencies, and the agencies who act on the direction, that's a operating part of the company. Company's board of directors act on the direction of members, and members in the form of policies issue the direction, and they supervise the functioning. Board of directors supervise the functioning of company in the light of policies decided by members. So, Company Act 2013 does not contain an exhaustive definition of the term director. Section 234 of the Act prescribes that director means a director. The definition given in this Act, that is the different definition which provided by Companies Act 1956. Director means a director appointed to the board of a company. But in the earlier Act, 1956 Act defined director means who play the role of director. So, there is a lot of difference between the definition provided by Companies Act 2013 and the definition already given in the Companies Act 1956. The major difference is here the appointed word they use in the present Act. In the earlier Act, they use who play the role of director. So, that is the major difference between this definition. Section 210 of the Companies Act 2013 define the board of directors or board in relation to a company means the collective body of the directors. Again, the entire Act emphasizes on this point, the directors act in collective capacity. There is no any power given to the director in individual capacity. So, collective body of the directors is known as board of directors. The term board of directors means a body duly constituted to direct, control and supervise the affairs of the company. Here three words, one direct, second control, third supervise. Three type of control on the company through this board of directors. One, who direct the functioning of company. Second, who control the affairs of company. Third, who supervise the functioning of company. So, these all three things indicate that there are some persons who are such powerful, who are competent to issue the direction and control the affairs of company and supervise the functioning of company. That specialized group of persons known as board of directors. So, section 149 of the Companies Act 2013 also define important aspect related to director. The board of directors of every company shall consist of individual only. So, in the board of directors, no any body corporate, no any partnership firm allowed to act as a director. Only individual allowed to act as a director in a board of director. Thus, no body corporate, association or firm shall be appointed as director as per the mandate of section 149 of the Companies Act 2013. And section 166 of Companies Act 2013 also prohibits for delegation of power. Delegation of office is nothing that's delegation of power. Director not allowed to delegate their powers to anyone else. So, if delegation of office made by director, that shall be void. So, these two terms, one is shall, another is void. These two terms indicate that directors only act in their individual capacity. They are not authorized to delegate their powers to anyone. If they delegate their powers to anyone, that amounts to void, that amounts to null. There is no any legitimacy behind this power.